Leaf product, and they launched, like, I don't know when they launched it, but I just bought them from the Amazon. The deal was pretty good. On the Leaf website itself it's like 15 or 1700 rupees, but on Amazon I got this for 1000 rupees. So link will be in the description if the offer is still available to get them in 1000 rupees. But considering the 1000 rupees value, first of all, before talking about anything, let's open the box and let's see what we get inside and how the earphones. Okay, by the way, these are like wireless. You can see the picture over here. So one is remote control, one is a battery department or compartment. Okay, and yeah, so let's open the box and let's see what we get inside the box. So after cutting the seals up, and here we go, we get a little box over here, and they're pretty good. They're pretty premium looking. Like, the box is pretty good. Like, on the back side you're getting a preview of the earphones itself, and it's pretty good. So that's it, what you get inside the box, like box itself and some stuff. So first of all, you get some micro USB cable. Over you can see pretty normal quality, nothing much to talk about. Okay, so that's a normal thing. And other thing is this ear tips. Like, if your ears are small you can use a smaller one, and if your ears are big you can use a bigger one. That's pretty much in this. Okay, the next thing is the these leaflets or the documentation. Pretty normal customer care support on the support@leafstudios.com, sorry, .in. And yeah, talking about the earphones inside it, and of course the Leaf warranty card, and one Leaf if why you love Leaf. And yeah, if you do this and do the steps like what they have mentioned at the back, if you follow them, you're getting the 20% off on your next product, a coupon code maybe, and a warranty registration card. So you have to do some steps. Under 10 days you have to register your product, so that whenever any technical issue comes up, so you can claim for the warranty itself. So at the last we have the earphones itself. Okay, now they're pretty tight. I just found them pretty tight. Okay, they're pretty tight from here, but yeah, the packaging seems very good. You can see. So in-hand impression tells wire looks good. Okay, and pretty sturdy wire, I would say. So yeah, okay, so they are magnetic. So magnet is pretty good. So yeah, so they're pretty good, pretty soft magnet, but yeah, that's a good thing. A wire like shortener, so you can shorten the wire how much wire you want when you're wearing them. Pretty good. And okay, so you can see over here, here's a battery will be there. I'm assuming this, so the battery will be here, and I'm assuming this. And next thing is the volume control center. Here's the volume control assistant button and all that stuff. You can use a Google Assistant or Siri, and by using this. So button are pretty tactile, like seems good. Pretty sturdy kind of a earphone. I don't think so ये like tangle wires नहीं है. So first impressions are pretty good. They're pretty good, I would say. Yeah, for the conclusion I'll be making a separate video for the review, but by the time like in-hand feel is good, seems pretty good quality, and right now I can't say anything, but yeah, they looks pretty good, pretty premium, like metal and all that stuff. So let's see how they perform in 1 week of usage, and after 1 week I'll be reviewing them. So yeah, thanks for watching. This is Mani signing off, and I will see you in some next video. Yeah, so by the time, peace.